This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Brenda Lavin. Discover this coastal chic 2-bedroom/2-bath beautifully renovated condo. Located in the gated community of the Anchorage, situated on the banks of the scenic street, Lucie River. Open floor plan featuring waterproof LVP in living areas and decorative wainscoting. Master bedroom suite has huge walk-in closet with frosted glass paneled barn doors for closet and bathroom entry. Both baths have totally remodeled with top-of-the-line updates. Inside laundry room with full-size washer and dryer. Accordion shutters and new metal roof. Purchase/lease boat slips based on availability. Boat/trailer storage area on site. Walk to the Port District, a new entertainment district that offers a river boardwalk, Pioneer Park, Botanical Gardens and planned riverfront dining. Just minutes to area beaches. For more information, review the details below or contact Brenda Lavin at 772-530-9515.